Hey guys, I'm Jackie Anderson, one of the project leads here at Griffin Technology in Nashville. We've been working on a really cool project and we're launching it on Indiegogo. This is Cove. It's a USB charging station for smartphones, tablets, e-readers, fitness trackers, basically anything that charges with USB. There are a lot of device chargers out there, but they don't always look like they belong in your living space. We're launching Cove on Indiegogo because we think people want their technology to be as thoughtfully designed as their homes are. Maybe you don't want to see charging cables everywhere. Maybe you'd like this charger to look great and truly fit into your home style and home decor. We've done our research and prototyping, and we think Cove is the answer. Now it's time to validate our idea. Our goal is to raise $30,000. By funding Cove, you'll be telling us our idea is a good one. And you'll be getting in on Cove before the rest of the world can. We want to hear from you. Tell us what you like or don't like about it. What material do you think would be best? What room do you envision Cove in? Join us for the next stage of Cove's development as we work to bring a more human element to the technology we all live with.
Meet Cove. Cove is simple, elegant, and powerful enough to charge every device in the house. With a sliding door that props open to provide a hands-free tablet stand, we've given Cove a clean, contemporary design with softer, rounder lines and premium finishes that feel at home in any decor. Cove's built-in power supply and cord bay gather all of your cables in one place, and the sliding door closes to hide everything. Cove, the simple, elegant home recharging center, only from Griffin.
There's no technologies in the home space that really blend with the home decor that are considerate of the way people use technology in their living space, in their kitchen space, in their bedroom.
Homes are different for everybody. It's a very personal thing. My home's not going to look the same as yours. You have everything just the way you want it, and yet your electronics, it's always the one exception.
We knew we needed to make a hub that could be placed in the central location of a home that allowed people to charge all of their products, all of their devices in one spot.
One of the things that we looked at is the way people use kitchens today. Kitchens have many, many objects, many tools. When you need them right at your hands when you're ready. And when you don't need them, you want them to be put away. So one of the things we looked at with Cove was to create a place in your kitchen that manages your devices in the same way that you manage forks and knives, plates, anything that goes inside a kitchen.
As we were developing Cove, one of our main points was to move away from traditional consumer electronic design and step away from that black, harsh, glossy plastic and move towards satin, matte finished, wood grain, warmer product feel, as well as softer lines, softer cuts of the product design itself.
So there's no blinky LEDs or techie finishes. It's just simple, low-key, elegant design that blends in wherever you put it. Cove solves the cable management issue by having a drawer at the top of the unit that contains all your cables, keeps them nice and neat, and just dispenses as much cable as you're going to need for each device. There's room for 5 devices, so we put enough room for 5 cables. There's a lot of ways of looking at electronics around your house, and some things like a TV are meant to be seen. Other things like a speaker are meant to be heard, but then a lot of other things like chargers and wires, you want them around when you need them, but the rest of the time you'd rather not have to see them at all.
There's nothing out there like Cove right now. There's nothing that charges and stores and looks great in the home.
If Cove resonates with you, please consider sharing this campaign with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.